intro.
No, stop. So, we're doing the lightning bolt challenge on my channel. And this time we're doing 3 instead of 1. And we're gonna die. So, here we go.
We should do it where after you crunch one up, put the next one in and crunch it up. Before you get to the sour stuff.
We are gonna need ditchers. I'm actually little.
Woo-loo. Mm.
Mm. Mm. Oh, fuck.
Great. Try on camera.
Oh!
Oh, great.
Mm.
My tongue hurts.
Mine too. I just bit my tongue and that hurt.
Oh, my teeth. My teeth are falling out. I feel sick in my stomach.
Ah.
That's so gross.
This is horrible.
It's not that bad. Just suck on it. You're not gonna shoot yours up all the way up.
My jaw hurts.
Maybe it was a bad idea to have
Look at that.
that much bubble gum at the same time.
I can't even feel my tongue.
Mm. This is a microwave. We didn't put this bar in ourselves.
Because that was important.
Well, it looks like it from the video.
Oh yeah, and while I'm at it, bigger gauges. Pretty awesome. Ah! Go to hell, bubblegum. Ah! So we should random dance while shooting this bubblegum. You go, woo, 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 woo.
Ooh. Oh. Stay in the camera, Dodo.
Stop, I don't want it on my face, you retard. Stop.
Okay.
Leave it alone.
What
You
alone?
like shit on my throat.
You wiped on me first.
Random dance, okay? Come on, do it. You just jealous because you can't dance like this. Don't worry about the retard in the background, it's cool. So we lived. We made the challenge. Bye guys.